Yeah, so right now I'm actually working for a local paint company in Rexburg, Idaho called Troy Warnick Painting. I've been there for about a year and a half now, and I've moved up um, in the job as I've gone. I started off as a common laborer, just working, prepping units and all kinds of paint stuff that I had to do. Then I moved on to being a foreman, where I kind of managed and oversaw each job site, made sure all the workers had something to do, and even jumped in myself when things were behind, to now being the area manager, which is actually a pretty good salary position. Start off my day putting out any fires that come, phone calls from the foreman or any job site superintendents that we work with, to see if they need anything or any problems resolved. And then I spent a lot of time drumming up new business, and bidding on new projects for the future. So far, we've got about 2 years worth of work saved up, and I've helped to do that. I go from job site to job site, just making sure everyone is doing what they're supposed to be, everyone's on task, making sure they're doing it the most efficient way possible, that they're organized, that everything is just running smoothly so that the owner doesn't have to worry. And when I'm not doing any of those things, I sit down with my Excel spreadsheets that I learned to make, and I try really hard to come up with new ways of being efficient, new ways of doing things, and I've actually increased productivity by about 20% since I started working for the company, which has resulted in tens of thousands of dollars in revenue. So that's what I've been up to.